Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I bring into you and I'm gonna review these beautiful shoes from Christian Louboutin. I just got them. I looked for a pretty long time for these shoes. I pre-ordered them. I ordered them in December and now it's July and I just got them. Yes, July 13th, it's my birthday and it's a present to me. But I look for comfortable shoes and this is the shoes. It is comfortable. The model, its name is Kate. This is how its box came. Let me open in front of you and voila, we have here first shoe bag, beautiful red shoe bag. It's really pretty. I love it. Shoe heel strike, little small tiny bag. It's so cute. Okay, I open. Yeah, it's two in here, but you know, this is just little details. Most important, the shoes are comfortable. I try like 40 different pairs. I own some of them and they're not comfortable, but this one, it is comfortable. Made in Italy, of course. And voila, we have here suede, we have a leather. Okay, it's your classic shoes. It's not your trendy shoes. These shoes you can wear it all day, all year long. And these shoes, it's a pop of color. If you like black like I am, that's it. I wear my black, let's say, jacket, my black shoes, and it looks like too black. You can put this, or I will use these shoes for pop of colors, and I guarantee people will stop me. People will tell me, Katerina, I love your shoes. Again, it's very comfortable shoes. Let's talk about a little bit design. What I like, it's stretchy in a bag. We have here heel, but it's not too high heel. And this is it shoes I will use probably for New Year, for my birthday. If I go to restaurant with my husband, yes, I will not wearing this every single day because the shoes, I feel it's like 2-4 hours and it's good enough for wearing. Or you know, like when it's New Year's party, you probably can stay all night long because sometimes we sit down, sometimes we dance. But again, it is I will consider, or not consider, it is comfortable shoes. I know I own another Christian Louboutin shoes, and I ordered same time from Amazon. It's a clear pieces you put in the bottom, and doesn't matter how many times you wear, this will not scratch. This like bottom will stay, is brand new. Again, I remember I ordered from Amazon and I will order for these shoes too. Then inside it says Paris, it says Christian Louboutin. Also, guys, if you're looking for amazing shoes for your girlfriend, for your wife, it's the perfect one. And it's not a trendy shoes. This is your classic shoes. This is you can wear in so many times, because I see my customer, I know my friends, they buying shoes, they wearing 1 or 2 times and that's it. No, it's a useful, very useful shoes. If you are white, go 2 size up. If you are normal, probably 1 size it's okay. If you are narrow, to me personally, if your feet it's narrow, if you are size 8, you get 38. If you size 9, you go 39. This is like if European shoes. If you size 12, it will be 42. If you size 11, you size 41. But let's say you size 11, if it's American size 11, go with size 42. Go 1 size up. It is very hard to get this in a small tiny size, like size 5 or size 42. Again, I wear these shoes from, can you imagine, guess from December 2022 and 21, sorry, and I just got them in July. Again, it's suede, it's so pretty, and I like how it looks inside. The eye looks spectacular, right? My lip color goes with the shoes. Again, girls, if you like this video, give me please thumbs up. I really need your help, and it's not gonna cost you anything. $775, these beautiful shoes. And let me tell you height of this heel. It's 3.4 or 95 millimeter heel, elastic stripe in the back, and again it's leather and suede on the top, made of course in Italy. It says run small, order 1 and a high size up, but again, this is your icon shoes. This is your classic shoes. You will wear this for so many different events. Also, if you work in a band, if you a store manager, if you are big boss, this is shoes for you. They're comfortable, they're classy, they look elegant, and they're not trendy. They will look amazing every time you wearing them, and I'm guarantee 100% people will tell you, I love your shoes. Oh my god, I love your shoes. Oh my god, I love your shoes. Yes, you will hear this all the time. And I feel suede. I love suede shoes. Even for some reason in United States, a lot of people think about suede shoes, it's for winter. In my opinion, I will say no. Suede shoes, it always looks expensive, it's always look hot and more rich. Like this is why to me you can wear in this daytime, you can wear this nighttime, you can wear in this winter or summer, because they will look amazing. Again, look at this spectacular shoes. I wait for the shoes for a long time, and I knew this is shoes even if I will be 70 years old. These shoes will look amazing on me. I hope again you like this video. Please comment below. Please give me thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube channel, and like I always say, love you more than ice cream. And by the way, if you want these shoes, DM me or I will link product below. But if they sold out, please message me on Instagram or YouTube and say, Katrina, I want the shoes. I can send you, it's free shipping. Yes, if we sold out your shoe size, I will pre-order for you. I will watch for you the shoes when it's available. Okay, love you all, and I will see you in my next video.